In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a chart in Notion with the / command. Let's keep this simple and fast. Start by opening Notion, either in your web browser or the desktop app. Everything I'm showing works the same in both. Make sure you're in the workspace where you want to work and that you have permission to edit. If you've got multiple pages open, switch to the one where you want the chart to appear. Once you're on the right page, click into the body of the page where you want the chart to live. It helps to place your cursor on a new line so the block inserts exactly where you expect. Now press the / key on your keyboard. This opens Notion's quick insert menu, which is the fastest way to add any block without taking your hands off the keyboard. With the menu open, start typing the word chart. As you type, Notion narrows the results and shows you the available chart options. You'll see different chart types, so you can pick what suits your data best. Think of common options like bar, line, or pie. Use your arrow keys to highlight the one you want, then hit enter, or just click it with your mouse. That's all it takes to insert a chart block. If the menu shows a lot of results, keep typing to refine the search. If you don't see chart options, double check that your cursor is in the page content area and not in a title field or inside another block where charts can't be inserted. You can always backspace to reopen broader results or press escape to close the menu and try again. After the chart block is placed, you're ready to proceed with your preferred setup based on the chart you chose. If you picked the wrong type, no worries. Press Command or Control + Z to undo, then press / again and choose a different one. You can also move the chart block later by dragging the handle on its left, or duplicate it if you want to experiment with a couple of variations side by side. A quick tip for speed, the / menu is context aware, so the more specific you type, the faster you'll find exactly what you need. On mobile, the same idea applies. Open the block menu from the toolbar, search for chart, and select your option. And that's it. You went to Notion, navigated to your page, opened the / menu, typed chart, chose the chart type you need, and you're done. Simple, fast, and ready for your data.